How is your education of having your startup different from reality?
Actually, for me, it's not that different. Definitely there's not there's so many things going on in parallel. So it's also not that easy to push one thing. Maybe that's at least what I hoped, that it's a bit different. But this is the case. So there is not only the technology, but there's also, as mentioned before, many other things to do. I think at the moment it's very important that we focus. So we have so many possibilities, we have so many cool things we could do, but we have limited resources. So one of the key challenges at the moment is that we really focus our resources to generate some output.